Hey y'all, happy hump day. Welcome back to another video with DIYs by Carolina. Hope you guys are doing well and having a phenomenal work week so far. All right, so as you guys can see from the title of today's video, I'm going to be decorating the remainder of my home for the fall season. So excited. I am finally on schedule this year with decorating, y'all, because usually I don't get around to decorating for the fall until like the last week in October. So yeah, I am on point this time around. I actually decorated the dining room space. I'm going to show y'all me decorating the guest bathroom. And I'm doing that because right around this time, I tend to have a lot of family members and friends come by and want to stay or whatever. So I'm definitely going to try to get the guest bathroom in check, get it nice and festive for the fall. And then I'm also going to be decorating my hallway space, and we're going to save the best for last with the dining room space. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, y'all, so I'm in my guest bathroom space, and I'm going to start in this space first, and then I'm going to move on to the hallway area and then the dining room last. But this area hasn't really changed that much, throughout the seasons. I typically keep up this exact same shower curtain because I absolutely love it. And to me, I feel like this is like an all season shower curtain. The design, the style, yeah, you can leave it up all season. So that's just what I plan to do. I mean, why not? All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and first start with the bathroom space, the guest bathroom. We're gonna get the space nice and decorated. I've already cleaned, I've already mopped. Y'all, I try to do that in advance so we can get straight to decorating. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick close-up of what the entire space looks like before we actually start decorating. And also, I do want to point out that the shower curtain that you see here, this beautiful sort of tan plaid shower curtain, y'all, I've started to use this shower curtain all year for every season because honestly, to me, this shower curtain goes well with practically every season. You can decorate it for spring, summer, fall, Christmas, you name it. I absolutely love, love, love this shower curtain. So I decided I'm going to keep this shower curtain up. So guys, it's hard to believe that this bathroom went through a complete transformation after it was flooded about a year ago from my hot water heater rupturing inside my attic. Oh my goodness. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll be sure to link it in the description so you can see how I completely transformed this bathroom. Also, right quickly, you guys, I want to show you these acorn shower hooks that I've had for a little while now. I absolutely love these shower hooks, you guys. I pretty much keep them up all year. I seriously do because I love them. I actually got these from Amazon. I'll be sure to include these in my Amazon storefront, but these are simply perfect for the season. So right quickly, I do want to show you the items that I'm going to be using to decorate the guest bathroom space. Most of these items came from Pop Shelf, some came from my home, also the Dollar General and Big Lots. And I'll just kind of show you guys which ones came from where and the price. So starting with this one in the middle, this picture here came from Pop Shelf. I purchased this on last year. At the time it was $8. So that did come from Pop Shelf on last year. In addition to that, I also have this little flower arrangement with the pumpkins. This came from Big Lots. Y'all, I probably had this now about 4 years or better. I just added some of the little orange pumpkins to this. This initially came with little blue and white pumpkins, but yeah, that came from Big Lots. Next up, I have this cute little sunflower flower arrangement here. I actually got this from Dollar General. I can't tell you how long ago it's been, but it's been some years. So I've had this little planter arrangement for quite some time now, and I typically use it all year round. I just, decorate it according to whatever season it is. So this cute little autumn sign came from Pop Shelf. I purchased this most recently. I Got it for $3, as you can see here. In addition to that, I also got this beautiful little fall is my favorite sign. This is such a cute little picture. I absolutely love this. Got it from Pop Shelf for $4. So these are all the items I'm going to be using in the bathroom area. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with decorating the guest bathroom. So guest bathroom done. Yes. So I'll show you guys at the end of the video all 3 spaces, what they look like, the final reveal. But in the meantime, let's go to the next area, which is going to be the hallway space. So let's do this. All right, so now we're entering the hallway space. And here's a quick look at the hallway area. And so basically, y'all, if you haven't seen the video, this hallway went through a complete transformation. And I'll be sure to link that video in the description so you can see what this hallway space used to look like before I made it over. But anyway, this is the hallway area. So nice and bright. I absolutely love that. So we're just going to go ahead and give it just a nice few fall touches. Nothing too over the top, just a little bit of fall flair. As you guys can see, I really didn't add a whole lot to the hallway space. Again, just a few light fall touches just to kind of bring in that whole fall vibe. So that's all I'm doing to the hallway space, nothing overwhelming. So now let's go ahead and get to the main finale, which is decorating the dining room. So let's go. All right, y'all, so here's a quick overview of what my dining room space looks like at the moment. I've already swept, mopped, cleaned down the table, wiped down everything. So now all I have to do is just decorate the area, which is perfect. Also, to my new subbies, if you haven't gotten a chance to see how I completely transformed this dining room space, I'll be sure to link that video in the description. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to be using this gorgeous wooden tray. I got this from Pop Shelf. This was $18. This was a recent purchase. And to add to that, I'm going to be using this vase that I got from the Dollar General. I purchased this recently over the summer. This was only $10. They have some of the cutest vases at the Dollar General. These stems also came from Pop Shelf. They were $1 a stem, and I think I purchased like 6 of these. These cute little pumpkins also came from Pop Shelf for $3. Again, this was a most recent purchase. So both of these pumpkins came from Pop Shelf. The rattan one was $5, and then the candle pumpkin was also $5. Y'all, so there's one other little space that I want to decorate. It's actually right up below the arch where I have the home sign, and I wasn't going to do anything with it, but it looks so bare. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just add, again, I'm only gonna add a few fall touches, and that's it, we're done. So let's go. guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing a home tour of how I have my home decorated this fall season, be sure to post that in the comments. And I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye now.